So anytime someone says, oh, I'm a teacher, it's not my job to entertain them, it's my job to teach them, I say, ¿por qué no los dos? I think good teachers have to be entertainers. Yes, what you're teaching is important, but you also want to entertain your students. And you don't have to entertain in the same way. If you think about famous comedians, they have very, very different styles, right? You could be Jerry Seinfeld, you could be Dave Chappelle, you could be Chris Rock, you could be Stephen Wright. Lots of different comedians have very, very different styles. But they all make you laugh. So if you want to teach, you don't have to be necessarily the outgoing, loud teacher that I try to be. You can be the calm, deadpan teacher, and you can still entertain, right? You can be the angry teacher, and you can still entertain. You can be the nerdy teacher and still entertain. And if they're entertained, if your students are entertained, they will care more about you, they will like you more, and then by accident, they will care more about the subject because they come to watch you entertain them, and then they accidentally learn. So anytime someone says, oh, I'm a teacher, it's not my job to entertain them, it's my job to teach them, I say, ¿por qué no los dos? Why can't you do both? Why can't you both entertain and teach at the same time? And it builds a bond. You want your students to like you. You want to like your students. And once you have that bond, they're going to try harder for you. They're going to fight harder for you. If they do badly, they'll like, I had a student one time come and apologize to me after a test saying, hey, Mike, I'm really sorry I didn't do well on them. Because they cared about me and they said, you were doing a good job. I want to show you that I actually do care. And if you get that level of connection, man, that's good. That's good, and it makes learning fun, and it makes teaching fun. And I think that's always the class that we want to be in.